If you're over 65 and are starting to get bored at home, then this video is for you. Today, we'll be exploring 25 best gadgets for seniors that are perfect for keeping you entertained at home alone. From fun and interactive tools to innovative devices that spark creativity, we've got something for everyone. And if you find something interesting, be sure to check the description for links to all the products mentioned. Make sure to watch till the end because the last gadget is a game changer. First up on our list is the Vintage Aesthetic Scrapbook Kit. Do you want to preserve cherished memories in a creative way? The Vintage Aesthetic Scrapbook Kit is the ultimate crafting companion for anyone who loves journaling or creating personalized keepsakes. This kit includes a collection of vintage-style papers, stickers, and embellishments to make each page unique and full of character. Perfect for hobbyists, scrapbook enthusiasts, or anyone looking to add a touch of nostalgia to their projects. This kit ensures every page tells a story. It's the perfect tool for unleashing your creativity while treasuring special moments. Next up is the Mexican Train Dominoes. Looking for a fun and engaging way to spend time with family and friends? This classic game combines strategy and luck, making it easy for everyone to join in on the excitement. The Mexican Train Dominoes set comes with high-quality dominoes and an aluminum carrying case for easy storage and portability. It's perfect for game nights, family gatherings, or casual afternoons with friends. With colorful tiles and straightforward rules, this game is accessible to all ages and provides hours of entertainment. On our number 3 spot, we have the portable radio. Relive the charm of classic radio while staying connected to the world. The portable radio is a compact and lightweight AM/FM radio with excellent reception, perfect for enjoying your favorite stations at home or on the go. With its nostalgic design and easy-to-use controls, this radio is ideal for seniors who appreciate the simplicity and reliability of traditional broadcasting. Whether you're tuning into the news, music, or talk shows, this gadget ensures clear sound and convenience. Moving on to our number 4 gadget, we have the Underdesk Elliptical Machine. Stay active while sitting with this innovative exercise tool. Designed with adjustable resistance levels and a compact frame, the Underdesk Elliptical Machine lets you work out comfortably while watching TV, working, or relaxing. Perfect for seniors or anyone who wants a low-impact way to boost circulation and stay fit, this machine makes exercising easy and convenient without needing to leave your chair. The number 5 gadget on our list is the Smart Bird Feeder with camera. Transform your backyard into a wildlife haven with this innovative bird feeder. This smart bird feeder not only attracts birds, but also captures stunning photos and videos of them with its built-in camera. Perfect for bird enthusiasts or anyone who loves nature, it lets you enjoy bird watching from the comfort of your home. Say goodbye to missing out on your feathered visitors and hello to a close-up experience with this smart device. Number 6 on our gadget list is the Beginner's Home Pottery Kit. You might be looking to try your hand at pottery without stepping into a studio? The Beginner's Home Pottery Kit is your go-to solution for exploring the art of ceramics right from your home. It includes air-dried clay, tools, and step-by-step instructions, making it ideal for beginners eager to craft their own creations. Whether you're molding a vase, bowl, or decorative piece, this kit is perfect for adults and kids alike who want a fun, hands-on experience. No kiln or prior experience required, just your creativity and a little time. Next up is the Paint by Numbers Kit. Ever wanted to create a beautiful piece of art but didn't know where to start? Say goodbye to the intimidation of blank canvases with this easy-to-use kit. The Paint by Numbers Kit includes a pre-designed canvas, paintbrushes, and all the paint you'll need to complete your masterpiece. It's perfect for beginners or anyone looking to unwind and explore their creative side. With clearly numbered sections, this kit makes painting stress-free and enjoyable, helping you create stunning artwork with ease. On our number 8 spot, we have the nostalgic large print word search. Indulge in a fun and relaxing mental workout with this large print word search book. Designed with seniors in mind, the nostalgic large print word search features easy-to-read text and a collection of themed puzzles that bring back cherished memories. Enjoy hours of entertainment while keeping your mind sharp and engaged. This book is perfect for quiet afternoons or as a thoughtful gift for puzzle lovers. Next, we have the Petal Exerciser Bike. Looking for a simple way to keep your legs and arms active? The Petal Exerciser Bike is a compact and adjustable device designed for low-impact workouts. It's perfect for seniors or individuals recovering from injuries who want to maintain mobility and strength. With its easy-to-use design and adjustable resistance, you can enjoy gentle exercise right from your favorite chair. The number 10 gadget on our list is the Smithsonian Word Search World of Birds. Explore the fascinating world of birds while challenging your mind with this engaging word search book. Featuring large print puzzles and captivating bird-related themes, it's both educational and fun. Ideal for seniors or bird lovers, this book offers hours of entertainment while improving focus and memory. Say goodbye to boredom and hello to an enjoyable mental workout. Number 11 on our list is the Adult Coloring Books. Stressed and seeking a relaxing pastime? The adult coloring books offer intricate designs and patterns to help you unwind and focus. With themes ranging from nature to abstract art, these books are designed to calm your mind and ignite your creativity. Perfect for anyone looking to reduce stress, improve concentration, or simply enjoy a mindful activity, these books are a great way to take a break from daily chaos. Grab your favorite markers or colored pencils and lose yourself in art. Next up is the large piece puzzles. Are traditional puzzles too small or intricate to enjoy comfortably? These puzzles solve the problem by offering larger pieces that are easier to see and handle. The large piece puzzles are designed with seniors in mind, featuring bright, vibrant images and pieces that fit together seamlessly. Perfect for those with vision or dexterity challenges, they provide a relaxing and rewarding activity. Enjoy hours of entertainment and mental stimulation without the frustration of tiny pieces. And if you want to know the latest prices of the gadgets mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. On our number 13 spot, we have the CD player. Rediscover your favorite albums with this versatile and portable CD player. The CD player supports Bluetooth and comes equipped with built-in speakers, allowing you to enjoy music wherever you are. Its sleek, user-friendly design is perfect for seniors who cherish their CD collections and want a device that blends classic functionality with modern convenience. Bring your music to life with crisp, clear sound and effortless portability. Next up, we have the Ukulele Kit. Bring music into your life with this beginner-friendly ukulele set. Designed with a high-quality mahogany body and easy-to-play strings, the Ukulele Kit includes everything you need to get started, from a tuner to a carrying case. Perfect for seniors or anyone wanting to learn a new skill, this kit makes it simple to explore your musical side while enjoying the soothing sounds of the ukulele. The number 15 gadget on our list is the Herb Garden Kit. Prep like a pro with this all-in-one herb growing set. The Herb Garden Kit includes everything you need to grow fresh, fragrant herbs indoors, from seeds to soil and pots. Perfect for seniors or anyone with a green thumb, this kit helps you enjoy the satisfaction of gardening right on your windowsill. Say goodbye to store-bought herbs and hello to fresh, homegrown flavor. And if you still haven't found something you like, then keep watching because these next 10 gadgets are going to blow your mind. Number 16 on our list is the Origami Paper Kit. Want to create stunning paper art? The Origami Paper Kit includes premium quality patterned papers and step-by-step instructions for a variety of folding projects. From simple shapes to intricate designs, this kit is perfect for beginners and experienced origami enthusiasts alike. Ideal for kids, adults, or anyone interested in this meditative craft, it makes a fun, creative pastime that sharpens focus and motor skills while delivering satisfying results. Next up is the World Game. Want to explore the world without leaving your home? This fun and educational game helps you discover fascinating facts about countries, landmarks, and geography. The World Game is a card-based trivia game perfect for families, geography buffs, and anyone eager to learn about the planet. With over 194 cards packed with information, it's a great way to expand your knowledge while having a blast. Compact and easy to play, it's ideal for gatherings or as a learning tool for kids and adults alike. On our number 18 spot, we have the Amazon Kindle. Love reading, but tired of lugging around heavy books? The Amazon Kindle is a lightweight and compact e-reader designed to store thousands of books at your fingertips. With adjustable font sizes, a glare-free screen, and long battery life, it's perfect for seniors who enjoy reading in comfort, whether at home or on the go. Explore an endless library of books, newspapers, and magazines with this easy-to-use device. On our number 19 spot, we have the Mini Trampoline. Looking to stay active and have fun while doing it? The Mini Trampoline is a low-impact exercise tool perfect for improving balance, coordination, and cardiovascular health. With its sturdy construction and compact size, it's ideal for seniors looking for a safe and effective way to stay fit. Enjoy gentle rebounding exercises in the comfort of your home without putting strain on your joints. The number 20 gadget on our list is resistance bands. Strengthen and tone your body with these versatile exercise bands. Designed with seniors in mind, the two resistance bands are lightweight, easy to use, and provide a gentle yet effective workout. Perfect for improving flexibility, strength, and overall fitness, these bands are great for physical therapy or daily exercise routines. Say goodbye to bulky equipment and hello to portable fitness solutions. On number 21, we have another exciting gadget called the New York Times Crossword. Love a daily mental challenge? The New York Times Crossword Page-a-Day calendar is perfect for word puzzle enthusiasts. Each page features a new crossword to test your vocabulary, logic, and problem-solving skills. Whether you're a seasoned crossword solver or a curious beginner, this calendar provides hours of fun and brain stimulation. It's an excellent way to keep your mind sharp while enjoying a classic pastime. Next up is the Roku Express. Struggling to keep up with all your favorite shows and streaming platforms? The Roku Express makes streaming simple and accessible for everyone. This compact device connects to your TV and lets you access all your favorite streaming services, like Netflix, Hulu, and more in one place. It's perfect for seniors or anyone looking for an easy-to-use entertainment solution. With its intuitive interface and user-friendly remote, the Roku Express is a hassle-free way to enjoy endless entertainment. Just plug it in, connect to Wi-Fi, and start streaming. On our number 23 spot, we have the Binoculars. Explore the great outdoors or enjoy a closer view at events with these compact and lightweight binoculars. The binoculars provide clear and sharp magnification, making them perfect for birdwatching, sightseeing, or concerts. Designed for comfort and ease of use, these binoculars are a fantastic choice for seniors who want to make the most of their adventures. Their portability ensures you never miss a moment, whether at home or on the go. At number 24, we have the Foam Roller. Relieve tension and improve flexibility with this versatile recovery tool. The foam roller is designed for myofascial release, helping to reduce muscle soreness and improve mobility. Perfect for seniors or anyone seeking post-workout relief, this roller is lightweight and easy to use, making it an essential addition to any fitness or self-care routine. Finally, we have the Bachi Ball Set. Bring the fun of the classic lawn game to your backyard with this premium Bachi Ball Set. Designed for players of all ages, it includes everything you need for hours of outdoor enjoyment. From durable balls to a measuring tool, perfect for seniors or families looking to stay active and socialize, this set makes it easy to create lasting memories. Say goodbye to indoor monotony and hello to fresh air and friendly competition. And there you have it. We hope these 25 gadgets are exactly what you've been looking for to kill your boredom whenever you are alone at home. And if you want to know more about gadgets to make traveling easier and safer for you, then click this next video and be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.